everyone, and welcome to another edition of Ask Professor XI. So, this week, in the past couple days, I've been seeing a report making its rounds on the news, the social platforms, that the FDA recalled a drug for high blood pressure, heart failure, because it can cause cancer. So, I want to jump on this bandwagon as people hopefully stop taking some of these drugs or go talk to their doctor. And I want to tell you about a better way. A better way your doctor is not telling you about. This way is the most underprescribed drug to help prevent, help reverse heart disease and heart disease-like things like high blood pressure, and which eventually can lead to heart failure. So what is this drug that your doctor's been holding out on you with? Drum roll, please. Exercise. Exercise is the most underprescribed, more effective way to prevent and reverse heart disease and heart disease-like items. Okay, and how does it do that? So what these drugs don't do, they just mask. By exercising, you can help to strengthen your heart. Your heart is a muscle. And you can strengthen it just like you strengthen your biceps, just like you strengthen those chicken wings to tighten them up. You can strengthen your heart too. And it doesn't take a dumbbell, it doesn't take your arteries lifting dumbbells to make them stronger. It's cardio. Okay? And what this does, by strengthening your heart, it works more efficiently. And you can tell your heart's working more efficiently by your resting heart rate. The lower your resting heart rate is, the more efficiently your heart is working. So if it's high, you need to get to work on your cardio. Alright? Exercise also helps to keep the arteries loose and flexible and free and clear. Helps keep the plumbing flowing smoothly. Alright? So the American Heart Association recommends 150 minutes of moderately intense exercise, cardiovascular exercise. What's moderately intense cardiovascular exercise? That's cardio, sustained cardio, that you can kind of hold a conversation during, maybe a little bit labored, but you can talk while you're walking, biking, etc. Or if that's too easy for you, you can also, it's also recommended, or, this is or, not and or, this is or, 75 minutes of intense cardiovascular exercise. And intense cardiovascular exercise is the kind of cardiovascular exercise you can't hold a conversation. You're gasping for air. And that'll help make your heart stronger. And obviously that 150 minutes can be divided up over the 7-day week. So it's really not that daunting of a number. Alright, so there you have it. Next week I'm going to talk about the other drug that works really well with exercise, okay? So stay tuned. This is underprescribed, underutilized. All right? So start getting in the habit of exercising, prevent heart disease. And side note here, if you're watching this and maybe you're taking that drug that was recalled, or you're taking a heart disease, some kind of heart medication or high blood pressure medication, and you've been started to exercise because you know its benefits, talk to your doctor. If you've been doing it for a few months and you've been following these guidelines and you can tell your resting heart rate's going down, talk to your doctor. Tell him you want your medications lowered. Because sometimes, and I've seen this with my clients, that sometimes as you get healthier but you're still taking medication you don't need, it can cause you to be sick while exercising, okay? It can cause you some problems. So if you don't need it, why take it? So you're hell-bent on beating these drugs, beating heart disease, beating high blood pressure, beating heart failure, and getting past that part of your life, and you're exercising a lot, and your doctor's not lowering your medication levels or almost eliminating them, go find another doctor. There are doctors who do give a shit and don't just care about the drugs. Alright, so thanks for watching. Like the video. share it. I want this to go viral, just like that news post on the drugs itself went viral. Alright, so stay tuned next week. We're going to talk about the other drug that also helps out with heart disease. Alright, thanks for watching.